Hello there. So in this demonstration, I'm going to show you charging by induction. So previously in a clip, I showed you charging by friction and charging by conduction, but this time I'm going to show you charging by induction. So here I have an empty soda can, which is a conductor. It's metallic and it's a conductor. And then I have again my this plastic rod. And then I have animal fur, cat's fur. I'm going to use charging by friction to rigorously rub the plastic rod through the animal fur. And as you know, what I'm doing in this case is putting negative charges on the plastic rod. So now the plastic rod will be negatively charged. So then what I'm going to do is that I'm going to bring this closer to the metallic soda can. The soda can initially is neutral, but when I bring it closer, what's going to happen is that you can see it's going to move. So what's happening here is that due to induction, when I bring this net negative charge closer to the neutral soda can, the electrons on the soda can will be repelled by this negatively charged plastic rod. And then closer to the plastic rod, there will be positive charges, a deficit of electrons, and that will create an attractive force because similar charges repel and unlike charges attract. So this is basically what happens when we use electrostatic induction or charging by induction. However, remember at all times the net charge on the soda can is zero. There's no net charge. What I'm doing is that by bringing in this external net negative charge rod, I'm redistributing the charges on this metallic soda can. That's basically what I'm doing. Okay, so this is an example for charging by induction. Thank you.